You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this valley located in California. We'll be looking at how to say more strange and confusing names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In California, this is referred to as the San Joaquin Valley. In Spanish, it should be said as San Joaquin, but in English, San Joaquin Valley. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.